Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the DNS server not responding error on Windows 11, your internet is connected but website won't load, here are the 3 fastest fixes that actually work. Our fix 1 is flush DNS cache. For that, what you have to do, you have to simply come over into the start icon and search for CMD, then click on run as administrator, click yes for the permission. Into the CMD prompt, simply type ipconfig /flush DNS, then press enter. This clears corrupted DNS cache files and often fixes the problem instantly. Now we move forward to our fix 2 is change your DNS server. Press Windows plus R in your keyboard or type here ncpa.cpl. Click enter. If you connected your PC with Ethernet, then simply click on your right mouse button. If you connected with your Wi-Fi, then you can simply press on your right mouse button. Click on the properties. Into the properties section, open Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4. Click on the right mouse button, or you can simply click on the properties section. Simply click on use the following DNS server, and into the preferred DNS server, you can simply type 888 and 888 and 4. Click OK. Now you're using Google's reliable public DNS server. Our fix 3 is reset network settings. For that, you have to open your settings. Into the settings, you have to click on network and internet. Then you're going to click on this advanced network settings. Click on that. Then click on network reset. Click on reset now. After that, you can simply restart your PC right now and check your internet connection again. So that's it. One of these 3 fixes should solve the DNS server not responding error on Windows 11. For more quick Windows tips and fixes, make sure to subscribe.